All right, so this is number 15, unit 2.3, multi-view drawing, sketching, and this one's a little more involved. Needed to do a video on this so that you can see the process is still the same, even though there's some little more tricks here. The process is still the same. First thing I'm going to do is label what's going to be my views, my line of sight. Okay. And then I'm gonna, like I always do, I'm gonna label my surfaces. So in this view, I got A, this is B, this is gonna be C, D, E is all of this. All this is E. It's gonna be F, okay? And then let's just say that this is G inside of here. Hopefully you can see my lettering once again. A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. All of this is surface F that we can see. So on my top view, once again, all this is surface F. So when I come over here, I got my top view, my front view, and this is going to be my right side. All right. So now I want to put my letters where they belong. In this view, what letters can I see? I can see E, and I can see surface F. So surface E is here, and this is surface F. In the front view, what letters do I see? I got A, B, C, and this is why I do this. You see, I do this I do these drawings so much, and I still forget some things. Put that G inside of here. I should have put it out here, but that's okay. I'm gonna make that surface H. That's surface H. So all of this is surface H. Now, when I start talking about these line types, there is inside of Canvas, there is a PDF document in there that says line conventions. You should study that document and get familiar with the line types that I'm uh, referring to in all of these videos. So first thing I want to do is, once again, label points and keep with that theme. So I'm going to go, this is point 1, it's 2, and this point up here, this would be point 3, and I'll tell you why in a minute. This is 4, and this is going to be point 5. So point, 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 and point. Now I'm going to project those over into my right side view. So once again, projection lines, light. So I projected all of those points. And now I got to look in the side view and see what's solid. So this is going to be surface D. And right above it is surface F. So I'm going to put F right here. So what do I know about that? Surface D is a rectangle. It's going to be solid. So that means the baseline of surface D is solid. From uh, from this point to this point, which is here, is going to be solid. And we just laid out surface D. Surface F. In this view, even though we know that this rounds, if you're standing here, you don't know that F rounds all the way. Only thing you see from here, your vantage point, is this rectangular shape. So that means that this rectangular shape for F starts at the top of D, starts at the top of surface D and goes up to this point here. So it's going to be a rectangle here, and then close in on surface F here, and a solid line here. Now, there's a hole going through the middle of here. And so what we have to do to represent that surface, this surface inside of here is symmetrical, is we're going to have to use what we call a center line. So to do that, and this surface is, once again, going back to that concept about surfaces being hidden from view. I can't see through this object, but I have to represent that this hole is cut in this object. And so in this particular view, I have to represent it. So now these projection lines will become my hidden lines, because the upper part of the circle and the lower part of the circle. And then I'm going to use a center line by illustrating by using a long, short, long. Long, short, long. That's the center line. Also in this view, if you picked up on it, there's another cut that it needs to be represented with a hidden line. I can't see through here to see this little cutout. So I have to use a hidden line by doing this. Now, what a lot of people miss, a lot of students miss, is this drawing isn't finished because now there's some things being added. In this particular view from here to here, from the front view to the top view, this hole has to be represented in the top view by using hidden line. So I line the edge of the hole up with the top view, and I'll put hidden lines here on either side. And if that gets if those are hidden lines denoting that circle, then we have to have a center line. So it's long, short, long. Once again, you can find the definitions and terminology and illustration of these line types in Unit 2.3. The PDF is called Line Conventions. And thinking we got everything illustrated, let's do a double check. I got my center line. I got my hidden lines. I got my hidden lines here for that. So the the hidden lines for this surface is that circle. Center line to denote that this circle is symmetrical. I illustrated that circle in this view as well. I illustrated this cut in this view by using a hidden line, and I think it is complete. This is the multi-view drawing of number 15 in Unit 2.3.